Hey y'all, what's up, what's good? It's your girl Michaela Janae here, back with another video, and in today's quick little video I'll be sharing with you guys what is on my sewing slash project table. So let's just hop right into the video. I have been doing some sewing. I'm very glad that I was able to jump back into it. It has been a little bit hotter, and as you guys know, I do work in my home's laundry room, so it doesn't get central AC in here, so I don't get to sew as much as I'd like to. I have been doing a little bit more crocheting lately, but I've kind of been coming in here when it's cooler, plugging up the air conditioner and just going at it. Okay, so first I want to share with you guys the patterns that I am trying at this time. I'm actually doing a little bit of pattern hacking, so once I finish these items I'm definitely going to show them to you. But the first thing that I started to work on is the New Look 6914 pattern. You guys probably saw this from my New Look haul that I did when they were 99 cents at Hobby Lobby. This is one of the patterns that I picked up during that time, and I decided to hop into it. I think this is the first one that I'm using out of that whole haul. I went and brought 2 sets of patterns, and this is the first one I'm using, and I actually decided to do view B, I think is what I did. I don't remember, but it was D or B, one of the two. I didn't want the collar, and I wanted to do some buttons, but I actually did not end up doing any buttons. As you can see, I have some buttons back there that I actually did not end up using because I cut out the wrong size for my pattern. So I actually thought it was done. Here's how the vest looked when I was completed with it, but I actually couldn't close it, so I didn't cut out my proper size. I'm like, how can I make this work for me? It looked so well made. It was very fun to create this pattern, so what I decided to do is make it like one of those trendy tie front vests. That is something that should really help me get more use out of it, being that it doesn't fit exactly how I want it to fit. But as you can see, it is beautifully lined. I kind of have it like full tied right now. This is how it's going to look tied up, but it's beautifully lined. All my seams are nice and crisp. I even have like the little back belt portion. It's just so cute. I love it. The little full pockets, everything came out really nice. I think if I was to redo this pattern, I don't know if I would interface it how the pattern calls. I don't know if I'd interface it, but everything else is going to be so cute. Once I add the ties to this, it is going to be so fabulous. I cannot wait to finish this up. And I decided to make this a matching set. It was always intended to be a matching set, but I kind of got a little weary when I cut it in the wrong size. But thank God it still fits. It just doesn't close to where I could add buttons. But adding the ties to the front is going to be very good. It's going to work perfectly. As you can see, it has like princess seams. So cute. So I'm so glad that this pattern worked well enough. I just now know that I am going to have to cut a bigger size if I want it to close properly and fit normally. Okay, that is again New Look 6914. I can definitely see myself getting more use out of this if I can figure out the right size for me, or I might even have to, like, I don't know what that's called when you kind of like go in between 2 sizes, but I cut a size 8 when I probably need to cut a size 10. So I'd rather things be too big and I can kind of like make it tailor to fit me than have it too small and it just doesn't work. Okay, so the last sewing project that I'm currently working on is the Simplicity 8390. I've had this pattern for a long time. I do believe that I've made these pants, but I don't currently have them, so I have no proof that I made them. I don't remember what they look like. They're categorized as an easy to sew, and it's literally sizes small to large, extra small to extra large, and it's a miss and girls, and it's only 2 pattern pieces. You don't even need a lot of supplies. You only need the material, some bias tape. But I wanted to hack this pattern also and make it some shorts, because I know I didn't have enough leftover pink material to make some pants. So I'm like, let me make some shorts. Right now I'm in between trying to do the bias tape. This is my first time actually doing bias tape. I've never done it before, so if it looks a little crazy, don't say nothing. We're gonna see how it turns out at the end. As you can see, I didn't even have no pink, and I also don't have a bias tape maker to where I could have made my own bias tape, but eventually that is something that I do plan on learning how to do. So right now I'm kind of just figuring it out, and I need to finish sewing it on there. Like I said, I don't really know what I'm doing. It's my first time using bias tape, and I also have the shorts super long because I don't know how short I want them. I feel like I'll better know how short I want them once the top is done, but as of right now they are like to my knees, and they do fit properly, so that's good. So as you can see from on the pattern, it's also like a tie front type of pants. So there's no zipper, no buttons, no nothing. You just tie it and make a little knot. So that's kind of neat. I am excited about that. So once I finish the bias tape on here, then I will cut and trim the pants. As you can see, it has several darts. That's kind of what makes it work. I either cut a medium or a large. I think I cut a medium. So far so good. These actually do fit. So I'm going to have some pink shorts coming very soon. I just got to decide on how short I want them. So those are my 2 sewing projects, 2 patterns. I know. Who am I? Usually a girl is just throwing things together, but I am still in the process of learning how to use patterns. So those are the things that I'm working on right now. That's the outfits that I'm working on. Of course, I do have some alterations things, but I'm not going to show you guys the alterations. You guys know I'm always altering something or working on something, and that pile is over there. But as far as new creations, I have been crocheting a lot. I actually recently got a little commission to make a baby's pair of bloomers, and these are them. I actually have a fitting coming up this Wednesday, and I want the baby to try it on, make sure it fits. The baby is like 6 months, and I just want to make sure that these are big enough for him. So these are actually made out of the Cabo yarn. It's made out of cotton and bamboo, and as you can see, it is so lightweight. It's not very stretchy. Okay, so this is actually the yarn right here. I'm gonna go find it. It is Kobu, and it is by Lion brand, and it is a 3-weight 4mm hook, and you actually get so much of this. It's 232 yards. I got 2 balls, and I think I'm going to return this one because I obviously don't need it. I have this much left, and I'm literally almost done with his shorts. So far so good. This yarn was regular $6.49 each, and I got it for 20% off, so I got it at $5.19. So not too bad at all. You guys know Joann's always has some type of sale going on. I definitely will be purchasing more of this type of yarn because I just love the way it feels. I just don't want it in this color. You guys know I love fun, vibrant colors, and nude is not that for me. So I am going to be purchasing more of that yarn. So far so good. It is a little splitty. I will say that. It does split, but it works up pretty nicely. So I could deal with a little bit of a splitting yarn, but it is so soft and it's machine washable. So I'm very excited about this. As you can see, it's not done yet. I don't want to finish it up and the baby can't fit it. So I'm going to have him try this on, and all it's missing is right here. It has 2 holes to make a little bow. So these are absolutely so cute. These are so cute. I absolutely love making baby things. So the friend that I made the turtle and the little hat for, she recommended me to this girl, so shout out to that friend. I love recommendations, and I love getting surprise commissions. I'm not actually someone who gets a lot of commissions, so everyone that I get is really a blessing, and I'm so thankful for it. So I've been working on those. It actually didn't take very long. I found a pattern for it, and I just went for it, and I actually had to like alter it myself because the pattern was for 0 to 3 months. So that's why I really want to make sure that it fits, because I was kind of doing my own calculations compared to a pair of baby shorts that I had on hand. So last but not least, what I am working on for myself crochet wise is one of these nice little crochet shirts, and I'm actually going to make this like a tie front little shrug. If you guys know me, you guys already know that I have something in this colorway, but I don't wear it that often, so I'm hoping to get more wear out of this. I actually followed this tutorial right here. I absolutely love her tutorials. They are in a different language, but they were actually surprisingly easy to understand. This is a, what is it called, Big Twist? Is that Joann's brand? But it's a party yarn, and I only had a little bit of it, so I didn't want to run out. So of course I had to make this little combination, but I feel like this looks so cute together, and it's already fitting so well. I did a little white trim on the sleeves, and this is actually already steamed, so as you can see, it's draping really nice. And I did a little trim at the bottom. So right now the only thing that I have left is to create the ties. I'm doing little white ties to where I can bow up the front or leave it open. So I'm very excited about this. This is literally almost done, but I kind of just took a break from this to work on the baby shorts. But this is so cute. I will definitely be doing more of her tutorials because her stuff comes out so cute. And I also want to start working with more natural fiber yarns, but it is about to be winter, so it's fine having something that is a little bit heavier. In my opinion, it'll be fine. I don't mind making clothes out of acrylic. Literally all of the items that I have made are acrylic, and no harm, no foul. It's been perfectly fine. So I think that is it for this quick little video. Thank you so much to all of you who watch these type of videos of what I'm working on, what is in the making over here in Michaela Janae's world. Thank you all, and hello to all my new subscribers. I don't know if I acknowledged that. I made it 4K. Like, that was just amazing. I do appreciate you all. I appreciate people who watch other videos on my channel other than just hair. I love y'all. Thank you guys for getting me to 4,000 subscribers. As you guys know, or if you didn't know, I've been doing this since 2016, and the whole time I've not been trying to rush growth or rush getting more subscribers. I just enjoy doing it. I enjoy sharing my crafts and my passions with you guys, so thank you for being a part of this journey. All right, so that is it. Let me stop yapping. That's enough. I will be coming at you guys at the end of August, showing you guys some finished projects. I probably won't have the baby shorts on hand because she's gonna need those by the 29th. I might film it before then. Yeah, everything else, you will be seeing everything that I crocheted and sewed in the month of August, so stay tuned for that video. I hope you all enjoyed this one. I'll see you guys in my next one.